Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to review the I Got This eyeshadow palette by Essence. They have released 3 new eyeshadow palettes with 24 eyeshadows and this is one of them. The price of it is €9.95 and we get 24 eyeshadows. I'm going to show you the swatches for all of the eyeshadows and also the eye makeup that I have done today. I have used only this eyeshadow palette. Let me know if you like the color story of the palette and also share this video with a friend that likes eyeshadow palettes. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. We have names for all of the eyeshadows and also we get a mirror that it is very clear and also very big. It is very easy to hold the palette like this and take your colors with your brush and do your makeup. About the color story of the palette, as we can see we have a lot of natural shades and also some pop of colors like the green and blue eyeshadow. These two eyeshadows are shimmer eyeshadows with micro glitter and we also get this purple eyeshadow, some maroon eyeshadows, this and this one here. Also we get this black green eyeshadow and you can create a lot of different looks. In this palette we have 4 types of eyeshadows. We have some matte eyeshadows, satin, shimmer and also shimmer with some very fine micro glitter. Let's start with the first row. As we can see, we have a variety of eyeshadows. We have matte eyeshadows and also some with micro glitter. Eyeshadow Get Naked is a silvery eyeshadow that you need to press it very well on your eyelids so you don't have any fallouts. This eyeshadow is very fluffy. I had a lot of fallouts when I was using it. I think the only way to use this specific eyeshadow is to do your eye makeup before your face makeup, so you can remove any excess of micro glitter on your under eye area. The matte eyeshadows of this row get natural and on stage and they blend very nice on my skin. Eyeshadow Get Natural is not very visible on my skin. On stage it's more visible and it blends very easy. Eyeshadow Get a Glow is a shimmer eyeshadow with some very fine gold micro glitter. This type of eyeshadow is better to use it on a sticky base or with a setting spray, so it can be more intense on the eyes and also you don't have fallouts. Eyeshadow Kiss Me is like a satin eyeshadow and it's not a very intense shimmer eyeshadow. We have a very nice color payoff but we don't have that bright sheen that I like on my shimmer eyeshadows. VIP Only is a grey pink eyeshadow with a satin finish and you can make this eyeshadow more intense again with a setting spray. A lot of the eyeshadows, they are not working with a dry brush, and if you use a setting spray on your brush you can make them more intense and you can have a better color payoff. Eyeshadow Hi Honey is a shimmer eyeshadow and you can make it more intense if you apply it on a sticky base. I have also used this eyeshadow on the full face advent calendar video that I have done with only Essence makeup that I got in the Essence advent calendar. And next we have Golden Eye, which is like a light gray gold eyeshadow with a sheen and also some very fine gold micro glitter. After that we have Eyeshadow Seize It, which is a light golden eyeshadow. Eye Blush is a light pink shimmer eyeshadow. After that we have 2 matte eyeshadows, Get Fancy and Get Over It. Eyeshadow Get Fancy is a light peach matte eyeshadow that blends very nice on my eyes and it is very soft, it is very easy to use and I like that we have this eyeshadow in the palette. Next to it we have Eyeshadow Get Over It and this is the matte black eyeshadow of the palette. This is a very tricky eyeshadow. It's not very blendable and it looks like it is staining my skin and it's not very easy to make this eyeshadow look blended and smooth. It is not a very black eyeshadow that I don't mind that. I think that for someone that is starting now with makeup, something like this, it's okay, but it doesn't blend very nice on my eyes. I don't want to blend for hours my eyes because my skin is sensitive. With this eyeshadow palette we have 24 eyeshadows, but I feel the need to use eyeshadows from a different palette when I use this one, because we don't have some matte eyeshadows in brown colors or maybe in a lighter blue or green colors, and if I had that, I wouldn't use another palette. Black eyeshadow is not working very well on its own, and with a brown eyeshadow I think it would look more natural on my skin. I don't like that this palette has 24 eyeshadows, and I still need to use eyeshadows from other palettes so I can make a completed eye makeup. On this row we have a lot of shimmers and shimmer eyeshadows with micro glitter. The only eyeshadow of all of them that it is ultra shiny without a setting spray or a sticky base is this one here, Toffee to Go. It has a beautiful sheen, and all the other eyeshadows are like nude shimmer eyeshadows, and only if you use something extra you can make them look extra. Toffee to Go is my favorite eyeshadow because with a dry brush it is so shiny and it is easy to use this eyeshadow. On the next row we have a lot of shimmer eyeshadows, satin, shimmer with micro glitter, and the majority of the eyeshadows in this palette are shimmer with micro glitter. We don't have as many satin eyeshadows like with the Eye Flirt palette. On this row we have some eyeshadows that they look fantastic if you use them with your fingers, like eyeshadow Get Crazy and So Spicy. They look super intense and beautiful, and they also have a lot of micro glitter. They have a lot of fallout, so you need to press lightly or do your eye makeup first and then your face makeup, so you will not care about the fallouts. Most of the eyeshadows are working with a setting spray or your fingers or with a sticky base. For my eye makeup today, I applied eyeshadow Get Fancy into my crease with an eye blender brush by Essence. After that, I took eyeshadow So Spicy and I applied it with an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre on my eyelid. I have also tried to intensify the eyeshadow and I applied it also with my finger. Afterwards, with the same eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I took eyeshadow Get Over It and I applied it only in the outer third of my eyelid, and I have blended also into my crease with a fluffier brush. With a small smudging brush, I took again eyeshadow Get Over It and I have applied it on my lower lash line. With the same smudging brush by Urban Decay, I got this in the Nocturnal Shadow box. I also took eyeshadow Get Fancy and I have blended the black eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I wanted to intensify the eyeshadow on my eyelid, so I have applied some Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water on my eyeshadow brush, and I have applied again eyeshadow So Spicy on my eyelid so I can make it super shimmer and intense. In my inner corner with a pencil brush by Morphe, I took eyeshadow Eye Blush and I have applied it into the inner corner of my eyes and also on my brow bone to highlight this area here. In this palette we have some gems but also some eyeshadows that are very difficult to work with, and this palette is not my favorite. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below if you liked the eyeshadows of this palette and also if you are interested in buying this palette or not. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!